Hi guys, today is a special update. The first chicks are born in the apiary. Last time I already told you that the white-breasted golden finches were building a nest. They have finished the nest and laid 4 eggs. All the eggs hatched, although one egg hatched 2 days later than the others. Look at them, so fragile but wonderful. And those beaks, wow! That brings me to the fun fact of this video. After a couple of days you can see that the feathers are already starting to develop. I'm always admiring the beauty of the development of the chicks, from fully naked chicks to adulthood. Unfortunately, you can see that one chick is lagging behind. It's probably the chick that hatched later than the others. Hopefully it will survive and fledge with its brothers or sisters. I also have another update. I've extended the quail family with 2 new females. 2 new females have a color mutation called Golden Pearl. For the new breeding season next year, we will pair the new females with the old males new. And pair the old females with a yet to find new male. The first introduction went very well. It seems like they were already together for a long time. Hopefully the new trio will be a success next year. See you in the next video and don't forget to laugh daily and always love your birds. Bye bye!